Are we going? Are we good? Hey everybody, good morning. It looks like you're all logging in. This is great. Welcome. My name is Scott Christopher. It's a pleasure to be here with you. I am your virtual MC for the next couple of days as we celebrate FICP Reimagined, a virtual experience, and an experience indeed it will be. Kicking off things today, let's go back to our schedule, is the amazing Caddy K. Not to be confused with Chatty Cathy or Kitty Carryall, which were two amazing, kind of creepy little dolls back in the 60s. I believe Kitty Carryall was Cindy Brady's favorite doll on the Brady Bunch.
But welcome to my hotel room in Millbrae. And I have gone out of my way to ruin what the room attendants have done here. And I've moved furniture. I've set up these, I've taken lampshades off. I taped a green screen to the wall. I'm probably not going to get my deposit back. And that saddens me. I know you guys probably know some good ways for me to fix holes, like maybe a pin with some tissue paper. So if anything goes wrong or this sounds weird or stupid, it's Marriott's fault. Okay, let me get us over here to our, there we are. Hi everybody, good to see you, great to be here. Okay.
Oh, there you all are. Well, good morning and welcome once again. A gorgeous morning here from our nation's capital, Washington, D.C., where the sun is just setting, evidently. I need to get these pictures correct. That's my problem. Once again, I am Scott Christopher, your MC for the week here at FICP Virtual Reimagined, a virtual experience. That's like, I'm going to do that every time now. I'm going to turn and look at it. That's just become kind of like my thing. We've got another great day filled with education, networking, fun, food. I mean, if you, during the breaks, go into your kitchen and, rummage through, see if there's anything, maybe a Totino's frozen pizza. There's the auction mentioned there. And you'll be able to view and bid on more than 100 packages and place your winning bids. You can see there's all kinds of stuff here. In fact, just right above my head, you see a virtual book club for up to 8 people with Dr. Ivan Joseph, author of You Got This, Mastering the Skill of Self-Confidence. But I mean, if you look at 100 random adults on the street at any time, how many would you think have at least some sort of pain or pressure or anxiety or grief or something that they carry around with them like always? How many? I mean, this is only about 80 random people, but would you say every stinking one of them? Because most people say that. Not children, mind you, adults. Almost all of us, if not all of us, have something. And yet, how many are smiling anyway? Or at least appear happy or not unhappy? Well, not all of them, but a lot. And not enough, to be honest, because you can smile and laugh and fake your brain out a little bit so that it starts to send some of those happy chemicals through your body. So immediately, if you want to be happy, just start smiling and laughing. And it does actually make you feel a little bit better. But if everyone is carrying around problems, by the way, I mean, make the inference and connect this to you and your workplace. What does it tell you about the people you work with on your project teams or people that report to you? Okay, that was fantastic. Thank you so much. If you're still there, Caddy K, and our panelists for joining us for those aren't the panelists. I mean, I think because I mentioned that the Caddy K and the Chatty Cathy doll and the Kitty Carryall, it's kind of creepy.